Hey guys, welcome to the next part of the video. So let's get started. Number 26, remove cell formats. So if you ever do a lot of cell formatting and you want to get rid of cell formats quickly, you could select a range and then go click on clear and then clear formats, then that will do it. But if you do this a lot, you might also want to add a button to the quick access toolbar, just like we did in the previous tip. So to remove formatting, all we need is a bit of VBA code, just 5 lines. We're gonna code it sub remove underscore formatting with selection clear formats and within sub, and that's all you need. So I'm going to put it into my personal macro workbook, so it's accessible whenever you use Excel. And you see this is the remove formatting subroutine. So I'll head back into Excel and then click here to optimize the quick access toolbar. Click on more commands, choose from macros, and then scroll down to find remove formatting, and I'll select this eraser symbol and we'll change this remove formatting, and I'll select this eraser symbol, click OK and OK again. Now we have a new button on a quick access toolbar. I can now remove formatting, selecting cells and clicking once here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected with us to watch more videos like this. Have a great day.